And I was just talking to Greg about infrastructure money being left over for the city government. Maybe a good way to spend that infrastructure money is to get some fiber optic throughout the city and get things moving. All right. I'm going to try and abbreviate as much as I can here because I have a lot of information. Imagine driving your old clunker in a car, truck, a motorbike down any street in London, driving your old clunker without releasing any emissions in the atmosphere. Imagine your old clunker being quieter while you drive it and improving your mileage at least 20%. Stop imagining. We can do it. Manson Nam, sitting over here, an automotive engineer, developed and successfully tested and patented a system that captures, compresses, and stores a vehicle exhaust. That part's done. Technology can be installed on any type of vehicle, new or used. Retrofits. Feeding the CO2 on board to bioreactors to grow algae and harvest the algae biomass can create all kinds of products that can be derived from it. The products can be used for all kinds of different things. So not only do you have your biofuels, you can have all kinds of different new ideas coming through. And these ideas are new to Canada. In order to educate us, we are trying to get we're in the process of developing a nonprofit organization called NABA, National Algae Biomass Association. Our mandates to educate Canadians on the benefits of developing the use of algae biomass to create products and energy. It can bring new companies together, develop new companies here for this city, and help them to share the ideas and business strategies to move it forward and get biomass out there. Got a working model of the tech. We have the bus that we're working on here. We'll have a working model of the bioreactors, and we're going to try and have a bus ready that we can actually drive with zero emissions going from Mexico to or from London to Mexico by the end of the year. Economic benefits. New high technology starting right here in London, commercial industries, not-for-profit industries, both creating jobs for London. Creation of research, working with UWO, and creation of manufacturing facilities for all kinds of different products here in this city. Technology and manufacturing processes can be exported around the world, again providing money for the city. Possible creation, we're moving quick. Being a leader, again, for Canadian cities, collaborating with UWO, bringing people together and developing new industries right here in the city. And now we're stopped. Okay. So the big points, ground zero for new technology, eliminate exhaust from vehicles. How can you not like that? Worldwide total, CO2, they're in the numbers, so I won't go into it. But we can reduce by 25%. That will get us beyond the Kyoto protocols. Bring it down to where we need to be at the very least, at the very minimum. Improve air quality worldwide, can save lives. We can just go from there. We can also, maybe some debates on this, I don't think so, reducing the reductions worldwide air temperatures, saving islands out in the middle of the Pacific, increasing the efficiencies of every fill-up by a minimum of 20%. We think we can do more, but we're stating 20. The leading in production of products, all kinds of different things. Soil qualities can improve from the biomass, the products that come from this. Leading productions, all kinds of nutritional products. We could actually feed the world with algae biomass. In Europe, carbon credits are already being established. They're probably going to be coming across worldwide. So there we are. We can start paying for this using carbon credits and going from there. Systems will allow governments, companies to use their carbon from their car and actually empower them to give them new ways of selling the products right from their own car. They're actually their own mini factory. We want NABA to help put London, Ontario on the map. We want to make this place a leader in world algae biomass production. And there's a little bit more. We think we can create thousands of jobs here in London. That's important. And we believe we can help people feed themselves around the world. Maybe we won't have to give them the charity. Maybe they can do it themselves if they have their vehicles. And we believe we have to succeed. Right now, we're looking for a little bit of help. So we have that bus that I was talking about. We're trying to have it ready to be able to drive from London to Cancun for the UN climate talks at the end of the year. And we're looking to see if we can get advertising for it and try and put it out there. Let's ignite London with this idea.